How to set up a wireless network manually. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Settings application. Simply use the shortcut key Window plus I to open Settings. Head toward Network and Internet. From here choose the option of Wireless Network. Once you do, under Change your networking setting, you will see the option of Set up a new connection. Simply click on it. Now from this prompt, simply choose the option of Manually connect to a wireless network. After that, in this page you simply need to provide all the information of this wireless network. Also toggle on the feature of Start this network connection automatically and then click on Next. Once the entered data is valid, you can simply see that it has been added successfully. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.